This over here is your master closet. So you can walk into the closet and into the bathroom, or if you don't want to come to the closet, you obviously can just walk out on that side. And this will have shelving and shoe racks and all that kind of stuff.
Very cool. It's essentially his and her showers.
Right?
Yeah. With a bench in the center.
Yep.
Nice. And you probably won't have to put a door on
No,
the glass
no
door
door.
or anything. Awesome. Okay. Very cool. And then I'm sorry, I don't have the price point information.
1.35.
135. Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
Yep.
Very cool. This master suite is sweet.
Yeah, this is yes, sir.
We talked about this a little bit, but we could still hardwood up here if we wanted to, or no, or is this
If you guys
so
came in,
fortunate?
we could, but we're getting really close to, and our vision
Right.
was to do the carpet up here.
Yeah,
But the one down the street, we did hardwood in the flex space.
yeah,
So we can do that,
it's getting close though.
but it's getting close. It's getting real close, and we're getting ready to pull the trigger. So I'm just being straight with you.
Yeah, we were 2 weeks ago. It was a different story.
Yeah, exactly. 2 weeks was a different story. Now the tile's in. We're gonna put the trim in next week. We have not picked the carpet yet, but we're getting ready to order that. And the countertops. Countertops are gonna be quartz. Have you seen? You've been around with the like white with the gray veins going through it.
Yeah.
That's what we're envisioning for kind of the
Perfect.
countertop downstairs.
Cool.
Cool. Okay.
White with gray veins on the kitchen,
Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah.
so kind of like
Kind of like,
what we had in
not,
Arena.
no,
What kind of counters was it?
It's quartz.
Of course, yeah.
so it'll have more, that was a little more speckled, this will have more like veins.
Okay.
Yeah, it'd be like,
Was it more speckled?
I might have some.
I thought it had veins.
An example.
Well, maybe it was like
No, I
Rihanna.
think it was like.
She's better than me. It probably was like, now that I think about it, probably was like that
Had veins.
last house.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
I want to see if I have
It had veins, you're right.
Yeah.
Light green.
Like that. I think that sounds right. You're probably right.
Very cool.
I think it sounds like it's what we have.
Yeah, I think so.
I was trying to pull this one up, but you can't really see it. Yeah, we have, I have, well, these are your all houses that we're building.
Gotcha.
I don't know if we have this, if I have it in this one. No, no countertop on there, damn it. But what I can do,
Yeah, no worries. I think that's what we had in Arena.
I can
We
picture
had
it.
veins.
I can have Lori send you a couple of our finished products where you can look online and see the finish product of what we've done. And in there, they'll definitely have, you know, that's pretty staple. A lot of people like that quartz with the white and the white vein type of thing. That's, you know, a typical.
It's a more classic.
I'm sorry?
It's a more classic finish.
Yeah, more classic feel.
A little more timeless too, I think.
It's my,
Yeah, it doesn't go out of style.
Yeah.
yeah, more what we gravitate towards.
Yeah.
Cool.
Sweet. Cool.
Alright.
And then you were asking about laundry. Laundry's right here. And then
Yeah.
we do two HVAC systems so that the upstairs is not working twice as hard to keep.
Very good.
You know, if you only have one downstairs, it's working like a Dickens to keep upstairs cool.
Right.
You know, so downstairs is freezing, upstairs is still hot.
Yeah.
So we put two in
Awesome.
every single house.
Jesse appreciates that.
Yeah, I think we had talked about that actually.
Yeah.
Like, really?
After me.
Small house.
Yeah, the smaller ones you can absolutely get away with it, but anything over 3,000 square feet, you're gonna be pushing it. And that system's gonna be working.
Missing stuff, what color fixtures are you guys doing?
I think it's a matte
Oh,
black.
it's the matte black too.
Yep.
Okay.
I believe so. Because she wants to pull this in right here
Yeah.
with the countertop. I mean, with the island there.
And then the hanging fixtures, are they gonna be matte black too then, or something like that, or do you know already?
I know we've picked it, but I don't know the color. But what I can do is have Lori, who's our realtor, she can send that stuff over so you guys can see. She literally went through last night to finalize all that stuff, put it together in a folder for us, and we just have to pull the trigger on what we're doing.
Cool.
Sounds good.
She helped design the house for us too.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, she's like dual there,
Awesome.
realtor / designer.
Very cool.
And then my business partner, his wife is a realtor / designer as well. So whoever brings us the house gets to design the house and sell the house.
Very fun.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's a good incentive.
Yeah, they love it.
Yeah. Well, it makes our job easier because
Yeah.
we can sell them.
Yeah, that's not my forte, but you know, everybody's got their talents.
Yeah.
Yeah, great storage all the way
Yeah.
down.
Tons
And
of
then
storage.
the idea is to bring the countertop out so that you can have bar stools
Awesome.
here to be able to, you know,
Entertained.
when you have company over and stuff, you can hang out while
Yeah.
cooking and,
Yeah.
and relaxing.
It's a little bit of a hangover so you can tuck under your.
So,
Yeah. Very good.
Yeah.
Awesome. This space is huge. I like how this is so wide and open. It reminds me of the place we checked out on Irving with that really large, wide living space.
Yes,
Remember that?
yes, where you walk through is like one bay,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
like this, basically.
Yeah.
But this feels more efficient, with the connection.
They were dealing with that older.
The older structure. It was a top. It
Mm-hmm.
was an old, probably a bungalow that they tore off the back of the house and popped the top on.
Gotcha.
They did a decent job, but they had some structural stuff they were working around.
Yep. When you do the pop tops, you gotta. You know,
Mhm.
this one was a small house that was here. It was only 2283. It was about 750 square feet. It was literally just this right here.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
That was the house.
How funny. And then on a huge lot.
Yeah.
Cool.
Big gas, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
That'd be, yeah. I just wanted to. So the gas line. Yeah, there's a gas line. Just gave me a heart attack. No, you're good.
Punch list. Cool. Separate entrance here for this office space. And then this, Liz, can be dividable, so you can put a door in here or have a door here that's separatable from the living space.
One of the stainless steel just thrown in there instead of having this.
Just storage down in the basement. And then essentially this space is dining in a little sitting area here. And then this is the main entrance to the house.
But our vision is to put the panel on, so it blends right in.
Awesome.
Cool.
Yeah, it's a great
This
space.
wasn't out here when you hadn't poured this. You have, yeah.
Sweet. Do you have time to show me the other? I'm curious to see that for another.
1850?
Yeah. Do you mind?
Yeah. I can shoot you up there. What time
Okay.
is
I think it's 6:30,
that?
6:20.
Yeah, I'll have to leave right at like 6:40.
Okay.
Because I got a 7 o'clock.
No rush.
Uh,
No, if I
absolutely.
can come back another time too.
Yeah, I can absolutely swing you over there.
Okay. And then this is probably a standard.
Yep,
two?
standard 2-car garage.
Okay.
Yep. We still have to put the garage door on,
All right.
and the color to be determined.
Yeah.
But this will be all landscape cleaned up.
Awesome.
Tomorrow will be like, it's gonna be a big day, greatness though.
Yeah. Getting all
Let's
this
clean
out.
it all up. I don't like showing it like this, but we've been doing it, and some people can see past it, others can't, and I'm just
Yeah.
like, let's get this cleaned up.
I think this is going to be a decent space though. Once all this is
Yeah.
cleared out.
Once you get all this out, it's gonna be a nice little space for
Yeah. Absolutely.
And you know, not large yards in this area,
Yeah.
but this is a nice space for, you know, being able to entertain and stuff.
Yeah. Decent for the dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something for him to kill.
And right up the street is West Park.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys aren't. You know, it's not close. I'm not far from West Park.
So funny.
That's what the other one is. Well, you went through it. I went north of here. That's the kind of field area. You just dead end.
I don't want to mess it up.
You might do that
I'll let you handle that because I don't want to. I don't want to screw it
Yeah,
up.
sometimes, well, we get some stuff in here.
Yeah, the construction debris and
Yeah,
whatnot.
it doesn't matter. You gotta kind of pull it a little bit.
Cool.
Once I get all this stuff out of here.
I'll let you break it.
You breaking the doors, man. These are cheap. Okay. Great.
Thank you for meeting us.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely, yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. Let us know what you're thinking.
Yeah, for sure.
Awesome.
Yeah.
We will.
I am going to. Do you want